Hey Rob, this is Amber from Local Leads Co. I spoke to Sherry the other day and she gave me the okay to just send you this really quick screencast. What I'll just be doing is going over a few ways in which you can beat your competition online and as a result get more clients in the door. Bear in mind, these are changes that you can make on your own from the comfort of your home. So this is mainly just going to be some helpful information for you. So I'll go ahead and jump right in. I have your website pulled up here. Overall, I love the layout of your website. You have a large photo here, you have some content, and then you have a contact form, and then you see more content, more photos. So overall, it's a really good layout. I think you are pretty close to the word count that Google generally likes whenever it comes to ranking a website. They generally like to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page and then around 750 words on your back pages. So I definitely think you are nearing that. But definitely something to make sure you take a look at in regards to making just those small changes to beat your competition. So I have your top competitor pulled up here. They are out of the Winter Haven area, I believe. However, they are number one in Google whenever you Google air conditioning in Winter Haven. So this is their website here. They have a little slideshow thing, have some more content. They also have a contact form. They have a pretty lengthy contact form, actually. They really don't have much content, so I definitely think that you're beating them in that area in regards to the content. And then your second top competitor, they are also number one, or in the top 3 ranking when it comes to AC repair in the Winter Haven area. So this is their website. They have a good amount of content as well, but again, I don't think you'd have any issue kind of beating them in that area. So that's just one area to consider. It's a simple change that you could make on your own, just making sure you have a good amount of content and you're beating your competition in that area. The second thing I wanted to go over with you is kind of the back end of your website. So we use this tool, it's called Ahrefs. And it really helps to see the ins and out of a website, where it's been in the past, where it's at now, mainly in regards to ranking. So if you look here, you can see that your ranking has kind of gone down a little bit. It's just continuing to decline. The reason being, it could be because it looks like you don't have a whole lot of backlinks. This is the second thing I wanted to go over with you. What a backlink is pretty much when another website references your website and pretty much gives you credit. So backlinks are really important when it comes to ranking your business and your website. But what's just as important, if not more important, is getting good, credible backlinks. So not any spammy links. You don't want Pizza Hut referring back to your website because your services have nothing to do with pizza. Google recognizes these things and they're able to say, this doesn't sound right, this doesn't look right. So we'd want to get you some more backlinks. That's something I would recommend looking into, but also getting good credible links. This DR right here, with it being so low compared to the UR, it tells me that a good amount of your links appear to be spammy. Your top competitor has 76 backlinks. They have very low DR as well, which means they have pretty spammy links also. And then your second top competitor has a little over 1,000 links. And this just goes to show you can have a lot of links, but if they're not credible links, this DR is going to be low and it's really going to hurt your rating. Another thing I wanted to go over with you was keywords. So what a keyword is, it's a searched word in Google that's highly searched. So for instance, appliance repair, Winter Haven, Florida. That's searched about 80 times per month. You're in the 10th position for that keyword, which means you're probably on the second page of Google. Whenever somebody Googles that word, they're really not going to see your website unless they go to the second page. Let's see. City of Davenport, Florida. That really doesn't have anything to do with AC work. AC repair in Lakeland, Florida. That gets 100 searches a month. So that's a good amount of clients that could be coming to your door if you were in the top position for that keyword. So that's also just to give you some perspective and the power of keywords and getting them on your website. And as a result of that, getting your website in the top position. So when you go to your top competitor, their keywords, they're ranked number 1 for Winter Haven air conditioning. That gets about 60 searches per month. Winter Haven air conditioning, Winter Haven, Florida, 20 searches per month. And although some of these might seem small, they definitely do end up adding up. Air conditioning, Winter Haven, 30 searches per month. So all of these keywords, you'd want to get in that top position so that whenever someone Googles this, you're the first person they see, which means they're more inclined to pick your website versus any other website. And then your second top competitor, really quick, AC Repair Lakeland, they're in the top position. That gets 100 searches a month, 150. AC Repair, they're in the top position. So just a lot of potential for growth for your business should you be in that top position. And then the third thing I wanted to go over with you is what's called citations. And what a citation is pretty much your business name, address, and phone number blasted all over the internet, whether that be in different social media platforms. It's mainly in regards to different directories and things of that nature. So citations are very important, not only when it comes to ranking your website, but also when it comes to getting you in the top position of the Google Map Pack. And I'll show you what that is. So if you go to Google and you type in AC Repair Winter Haven, this right here is where you will see all the ads. So people pay to be right here. And then right here you'll see the Google Map Pack. Definitely best to be in that top position, and having a good amount of citations will get you there. And then if you go down below, you'll see these are the organic rankings. So just to give you some perspective on the layout of how Google works. But to go back to citations, you have 41 citations. Your top competitor has 31. And then your second top competitor has 44. So I generally like to double, if not triple, what my competitor has, because you want to dominate them in that area. You want to make sure that there's no way that they'll be able to beat you in that area. So, and that goes for anything, honestly. So those were just a few things I wanted to go over with you. Again, that was just getting a lot of content on your front page and your back pages, as well as getting those keywords in your content so that Google can recognize them and rank you for those words. Getting good credible backlinks, and then also getting a good amount of citations. So that's all that I have. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I would love to touch base with you. You can either email me back or give me a call. And if not, that's okay too. Either way, I hope you learned something, and I appreciate your time. Thank you so much.